What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Semi aka Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is our first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you guys go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on this channel. We do a lot of great stuff with game review, product review, tech review, live streaming, live gaming. We do it all and everything else in between, guys. So you definitely do not want to miss out on anything we do on this channel. All right, guys. So today we're going to go over another great product. I think this is an awesome product. This was sent to me for review, and I think it was perfect to present it to you guys. A lot of you know what my channel used to be about entertainment and streaming and stuff. And a lot of people like the audio aspect of when you stream, you want complete audio control. This device controls your audio and lets you have that wonderful sound all in one. Right here, I got the Jyker. Hopefully I'm saying it correct. The Jyker HiFi DAC Amplifier. It's a 2.1 channel Class D audio amplifier. It is a good device, guys. This is awesome. The one thing I do like about it is, not with all audio amplifiers has built-in Bluetooth. This one has a built-in Bluetooth that you don't want to miss out, guys. Honestly, guys, it is awesome in this case. So what we're going to do today is going to unbox it and go over it and see what's inside and show you everything it has to offer. All right, let's go through this. Before I open it, I do want to show you what the box is. Basically, it says Jyker right here, and it says right here, you can see in a different shade of black. I don't know if you can see it right there. You can see the different shade of black. Boom. And it says up here, and it says the whole name right here. The HiFi DAC amplifier, the 2.1 channel Class D audio amplifier. This is the model number. It was JAMP79. If you want this, don't worry. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can get this if you guys want to get it. All right. On the side, you got their website address right there. On this side, it just says their name again. On the top, it says their name again. And of course, on the bottom, it says their name, of course. On the back, we got all the specs for the device, guys. All the specs right here. So basically, it's a 400 watt peak power amplifier. It has Bluetooth 5.2. All right, USB interface of 2.0 audio playback. The chipset, I really wouldn't know what that means, but you guys, well, I know what chipset is, but for the audio, I wouldn't know what that means. The chipset for this audio device is a TPA 3116D2 high fidelity amplifier chip. For my audio people, you guys might know what that means. I sure don't. It's all right. You got input ports of RCA, AV in, also USB in, and optical cable in. So you got, those are the three ways you can connect the audio into the amplifier so it can come out. And it also has output terminals for dual speakers, auxiliary cable, and a subwoofer. So you could put out up to 4 speakers plus a subwoofer, plus with audio cable out as well if you need that. Okay, power supply is a AC volt 110. And interface, you can hook up to 4 to 8 speakers compatible on this, which you have surround sound with this. This is the good thing I like about these amplifiers, because you can turn your TV to a surround sound system as long as you got the speakers and this amplifier. And if you want to play music with the surround sound, hook it up to your phone by Bluetooth, and you can listen to music all you want there. All right, this has a frequency of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay, and cooling method is a built-in heat sink with passive cooling, which is a fan and everything. What's inside this box? We have the actual amplifier, the HiFi Bluetooth audio amplifier, the Bluetooth antenna, the remote control, which the batteries are not included, unfortunately. You got the AV cables and the user manual. So that's all the information we got about the device here. Let's go ahead and open it up. As you see, I haven't opened this up. The sticker's still on there. Like I said before, I should have a knife, and I did get one. I just don't know where it is at this point. All right, I'm just cutting the tape here. There you go. I cut the tape. We're gonna open it up. So when you first open this up, guys, it comes very well packaged. As you see, it's all foam cover, so it protects everything through shipping and everything. So you take it out. In here, first thing you get is the actual manual for it. you have the QR code if you want to get a digital copy of it. But this is the whole manual how to work it. That's actually the amplifier right there. If you guys see it, it's very small, compact. Doesn't take up much space, that's another thing which I like about this. For being an amplifier and everything it does, it comes very compact. Okay, so here they have this claim your free gift thing right here. Don't know what that is, but let's take a look and see what they have to offer. So when you open up the free gift, it gives you a 1-year warranty of free gift. You scan the QR code, register your device, and you're all set there. Here is the amplifier itself. Here's the power brick and everything here with cables and everything. So we're gonna take the amplifier out. Actually, I'm gonna review that last. So this right here is the Bluetooth antenna or the remote. Yeah, this is the remote. So remote could come right here. So I'm gonna show you the remote real quick before we go any further. It's a basic remote, nothing special. So it says the Jyker logo right there. And basically it has all the control functions right here. And you can figure that out right there. All right. So moving on here, we have the power brick, which is right here. This is how you connect it to the amplifier, so it has power. It's a 2-piece power supply. This is the main source. That part connects to the amplifier itself, and then you plug in the wall plug right into that jack part right there, which comes in right here. You have it right here, and then right here you have the Bluetooth antenna or whatever Wi-Fi antenna they have right here. This is the antenna for it. Right, it's a single antenna, and they also provide you an AV adapter for your audio if you use that. All right, and then this is the amplifier itself. Besides that, there's nothing else in this box. As you see, everything is empty. This is the actual amplifier itself. So we're gonna open it up and see how that looks. Look how compact this is. This is so compact. You put this on the desk and boom, that's the front of it right there. Very nice and sleek, guys. You can see, look at that. Look how sleek that is. But let's take a look at the back first before I plug it in and turn it on. All right, so you see, you can connect whatever you want. You have 4 connections for speakers right here. Actually, 2 connections, 2 speakers. We got one here, one here. And if you know how to work speakers, you put the cables right here, tie them up. Then you have the antenna that attaches right here. Let me bring it closer, you can see. Then you have the input. You got the AV input here. You got the subwoofer input here. You got the optical input here. And you have auxiliary cable output here. And of course, you have a USB port right there, guys, to go ahead and put like your audio stuff on there. So you want to play music off a USB drive, plug in right there and play it. Simple as that. You got the on and off switch right here, which is pretty cool. And this is where you connect the power to. Very simple. And like I said before, this is so small. Look how compact it is. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and plug this up real quick so we can check out and experience how it looks when it's all plugged in. All right, give me a second right here. It's very simple. You plug this in here. Once you plug it in, you go ahead and connect it to the device. Make sure it's off when you connect it. All right, so I have everything plugged in. So now what I'm gonna do is turn it on so you can see how it turns on, and that's how it looks, guys. Very, very simple. And if you have karaoke for some reason, they have 2 mic ports in the front that I like that you can plug it in and you can sing along with the song if you are doing karaoke, boom. Or if you want to connect this to your computer and you want to have this as a source of going into your computer, you can also connect it, have mics connected right there. There you guys go for any recording stuff. You have all digital screen right here, which is a really good digital screen if I might add. It looks really, really nice in there. Very compact. And this right here is the control volume button. As you see, as I'm turning, the volume goes up and down. So the highest is 32, as you see right there. Look how, and it goes all the way to 0. And then, of course, you mess around with it. If you click on the button itself, it changes the mode to whatever you want to use it for. The different modes that they have here, they have the optical cable. If you want something coming in from the optical, you got it from there. You want something coming in from Bluetooth, you got it there. And it tells you right here on the top. And then you auxiliary cable in, you could connect, take it from there. So you got 4 inputs that you can use to have all your audio stuff come in from. You got everything right there, guys. This is awesome. And what else? And it tells you the level of the bass and treble right there. So if you want to adjust that, very easy to do. Guys, this is a very nice, compact audio amplifier. I think this is awesome. I used to have one of these, but a big one. You know the old school ones that you very big, because I used to have a projector on my ceiling. Because back in the day I used to use projectors like a movie theater type thing in my living room, and I had a big amplifier because I wanted to get audio out from there into my speakers that I had display on the outside. But I bought this big old thing. I forget, it was a Pioneer one, I think it was. It was very big. It was very expensive, like $300. It was very expensive, which I was like, wow, that's a lot. But for half the price, this is about $130, guys. That's including tax and everything. I think like about $130. And look how small it is, guys. You can just put this on your desk, boom, and you don't need all that extra stuff. It controls everything right here, guys. I think this is an awesome little product right here for all my audio people and my surround sound people. I think this is perfect for what you need it for. If you guys want to check this out, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out and have it for yourself. But with that said, I think I'm done with this video. I think I've discussed everything on this. If you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today, guys, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.